is the town of Progresso, exactly where the killer Tempest will make landfall and do the most damage. It's completely deserted. A downed power line or chunk of flying debris could easily kill him. But Jeff wouldn't think of staying in his car. He's raced here, all the way from New Zealand, just to experience the hurricane's absolute worst.
It's right there, it's so fallen, and it's so beautiful. It's totally unstoppable.
He's right on time. The eye wall is coming ashore. This part of the giant squall packs the most lethal winds. And that means it's time for Jeff's signature moment. He wades into the open. And at the height of the storm, he tapes his report.
Hurricane Isidore is pounding the town of Progresso.
Jeff's completely exposed to everything Isidore can heave at him at 125 miles an hour.
Hurricane Isidore is pounding the town of Progresso and the Yucatan Peninsula with 150 mile an hour wind gusts, and the sea is starting to invade the town.
It's time to scram.
I need to get out of here immediately.
Jeff's gotten what he came for and been lucky to escape with his life. Not ready to take on a hurricane's full force? This man's climbing into the roiling belly of a volcano. An active volcano is an awesome spectacle. But when it comes to getting close to one, even experts are wary. At least 29 scientists have died studying volcanoes in the past 2 decades. Still, that doesn't stop photographer Karsten Peter. Karsten has come to the South Pacific nation of Vanuatu from Germany to do something many volcanologists won't. He's about to risk his life and climb over this seething cauldron's edge deep into its crater. All to capture amazing pictures of a volcano in action.
Wow! Now you can see the magma splashing. Wow!
A camera on Karsten's helmet will film his descent. It's a sheer 1,200-foot drop down a soft embankment. A falling rock could break his bones, knock him unconscious, or even sever his rope, sending him plunging towards the volcano's flaming heart. At 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit, the lava pool is hot enough to incinerate concrete. At any moment, it could erupt, and an eruption would kill Karsten instantly. Suddenly, the earth starts to quake.
But it's very hard. I'm standing here on a rim, maybe 30 centimeters.
It's not a very situation now. Ash and stones coming from top.
Karsten's on a tiny ledge, only a few hundred feet above the molten lava. Right now, a very dangerous place to be.
Turbulences in the air. Very tough turbulences.
Still, he's undaunted. Any moment could be his last, but he presses on toward the very edge of the lava pool. what he's come for. It's an incredible sight, captured by one of the few brave enough to get so close. Not everyone who gambles with nature's fury walks away unscathed. In the #1 story in our countdown, 2 young men out for a thrill take a chance and lose. It's called the White Death. Avalanches can hit speeds as high as 150 miles an hour. And every year in Europe and the US, they kill about 125 people. It's April in the backcountry of Montana. All season, extreme skiers Michael Nugent and Nick Baldwin have been tempting fate, skiing this rugged and remote terrain, far from the area's designated ski runs. So far, they've managed to stay out of danger. But thanks to a deep blanket of fresh snow, that's about to change. Watch as Mike tackles this mountain. The snowpack cracks beneath him, then chases him downhill. We'll show you again. The snow bears down from behind. Mike tries to outrace it. But he's completely overtaken and heading straight into the trees. Mike's been swamped by a force strong enough to flatten a house.
Thank you very much.
Amazingly, he survives.
Oh. A little different.
Although left with a broken hip and thigh.
This one's like that, wide, this one's...
If it weren't for a tree, he might not have made it. It broke his fall and kept him from being suffocated.